Over the years, we have all tried everything from diets to exercise to get rid of unwanted fat. But ever feel like that just isn't enough? Well, there's new technology out there that will freeze your fat away, literally. Dr. Isidoros Moraitis from Moraitis Plastic Surgery joins us now with more on cool sculpting. Dr. Moraitis, good to have you back.
Thank you for having me.
So what is cool sculpting?
Cool sculpting takes the non-invasive approach to managing those persistent areas of fat that, despite working out, diet, persist. And it's a non-invasive approach, and it's unique in that it's FDA cleared and patented to treat utilizing controlled cooling of the fat.
So how does it work?
So by cooling the fat, it triggers the natural death of the fat, which will start to develop at about 3 to 4 days. The fat dies and it will start to be cleared by the body. You'll start to see differences in the areas that are treated within about 3 to 4 weeks, and this process will continue for about 3 to 4 months. So as opposed to what we did traditionally, which was surgery, which involved obviously anesthesia, and there was downtime associated with the procedures, here we can do something that doesn't involve all the invasive component of surgery and allows you to get back to your normal routine without any downtime.
And is that typical? We're looking at somebody's stomach right now. Is that must be a common place where people get it done? Yes,
and it is actually FDA cleared to treat, among other places, the abdomen, the love handle area, the inner and outer thighs, the area underneath the chin, the submental fat there, as well as bra fat, the banana roll, and now the inside of the knee. So it has practical applications on many parts of the body where otherwise we would be frustrated if we were trying to work it out in the gym, for example.
And those results that we're seeing, would those be typical after one treatment or several treatments?
Well, you will see a difference in the areas that are treated within one treatment, but in my patient population, we are typically having patients undergoing 2 treatment sessions. And so the amount of reduction that we're seeing is significant even with the first, and I would say on the average of about 20 to 25% reduction in the fat in the areas that are treated, so that's a visible reduction, but we have patients who are looking to add to that reduction, and we'll do a second treatment session to provide even additional benefit.
Okay, well, everybody's got something, and I've got a little bit of a roll issue. So if I went to see you and you said, okay, you're a good candidate, how long would it take to do?
The process?
Yeah.
Traditionally, the applicators that were available, and these are suction applicators, which means you come in following your consultation. We would mark the areas that are being treated. The applicators use suction, which means they draw the tissue that's going to be treated within the ball of the applicator. And then once we have good seal and good tissue draw, we will start the controlled cooling cycle. Now, with the older legacy applicators, that process would take about an hour per cycle, which is one placement of an applicator. We now have the benefit of having what we call the Advantage applicator, which cuts that treatment time down to 35 minutes.
Wow.
So depending on the area that you're treating, and we'll say on average an abdomen that required 4 cycles, that would be 4 35-minute cycles. So you could be done within or under 3 hours and go about the rest of your day.
And then be back at work the next day.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, wonderful. Okay, Dr. Isidoros Moraitis, thank you very much for telling us about this. For more information and to schedule your complimentary cool sculpting consultation, just head to their website. It is MoraitisPlasticSurgery.com, or give them a call, 727-219-9168. Doctor, thank you again for coming in.
Thank you.
We'll be right back.